Morning everybody, welcome back to Life with Meech. I'm back with another video, and y'all, this is another one of those morning videos that I am trying to do a look. I have no idea what I'm going to do. Yeah, so I've been doing the videos in the Wet and Wild. This is the third one, and this one is Cosmic Collision. This is what it looks like. This is a $4.99 palette that is a dupe for a high-end brand. In this case, this is a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, which I do not have. I don't know what I'm going to do with these colors. They're pretty, but I don't know what kind of look I'm going to make because I'm about to go to work. I got to leave here in a little bit. So, let's just see. Did I do an intro? Hey, y'all. Yeah, this is a $4.99 palette. It's dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, which is $42 or $43. But I don't know if they sell it anymore. If they don't sell it anymore, Anastasia Beverly Hills is doing this bundle set with 3 or 4 palettes that is $99. So look out for that because I think that's a good deal. But yeah, let's get on into it. My base is already done and my eyes are primed. I'm looking at this, trying to figure out what I'm gonna do, but let's get into it. I'm a little woke this morning because I'm going on a couple of days vacation and this is my last day of work this week. So I'm like, yay, this is my Friday. Okay, let's get going because I don't have a lot of time. All right, the first color I am using is this transition color down here. And it's kind of yellowish, but let's see. I'm going to go start putting that on. I have been really loving these little palettes, man. And they have been helping me just to get out of my comfort zone to do other things, like to talk in these little videos like this. Because that first one, I was scared, but yeah, I did it. So I'm happy. But yeah, so I'm just going on with this color with a fluffy brush. Alright, and the next color I'm going to use is this darker transition color down at the bottom. Same brush. And I'm just going to go below that first color. And I'm kind of doing it in my outer V as well. In the crease and also the outer V. Now this palette has a lot of bolder colors, but I'm going to work, so... I didn't know what I want to use because the last palette I'm going to be using has the purples in it. And this one has purple, but I'm wearing gray. I don't know, y'all. We'll see. So I was real proud of myself. So in my BoxyCharm, let me tell y'all this real quick. In my BoxyCharm, they gave me a Tarte palette that I recently bought that was within the 60 days that I could return it to Sephora. So since they gave me the same one, I took that one back to Sephora. I went to Sephora and just exchanged that palette. I didn't look at anything else. I didn't buy anything else. I just went in there and got that palette. I had to pay $7 more because the first palette I got was on a VIB sale, but I don't think that counts against my no-buy, and I did good. My husband would not give me, I was like, do you realize what I just did? And he would not give me not one bit of props, not one. And I felt proud of myself. I have never gone to Sephora and not picked up, on the aisle when you're going through how they have it set up. I looked at the ceiling. I sure did. I did not look at anything. I did do one thing because I wanted to ask my husband what he thought. The Natasha Denona mini palettes. Those things are tiny. Tiny. And they're $25. And so I said, how much you think this little teeny palette costs? He was like $50. I was like, you know good and well this will cost no $50. So he messed it up. He's like,
hey, you should have asked me what it was worth, not what I thought it cost.
So like, whatever. But anyway, let me finish this up. I'll have time. Alright, so I got that on there. I might need to deepen that up a little bit. I'm gonna put the little color on first. But I don't know what to use because I already used gold. I don't have all green. The other stuff is matte. These are the only two mattes. Everything else is shimmers. No, these greens are. Okay, this is a matte. But I don't want to wear green. Okay, I guess I'll wear this bronze. I'll put this bronze one here on my lid because, yeah, that's the best color, you know, to go to work on. So I already did a look with a gold, but this is bronze, so this is different. I'm using my finger to put it on. Oh yeah, it's very pretty. It goes on very nicely. All the palettes have been really performing the same. Very pigmented, very nice. Let's blend it. I think I'm gonna leave this alone. So this is it. All the colors in the Cosmic Collision $4.99 perform the same way as the other palettes I have used by Wet n Wild. Way above a $4.99 price. So this is it. Alright, I'll be back with my finished look. Well, y'all, this is my final look. I do like it. It's work appropriate. Once again, I use the Cosmic Collision Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette for $4.99. This is a very they have some unique colors in here. You can really do some things with this palette, I think, because it has greens and purples and golds and a bronze. So that's so many different options that's in there. But yeah, so I'm going to work, so you know I couldn't go too crazy or try too much stuff, because then I would have, if I had to start over and then I don't have time. I'm already late. Once again, I love the palette, pigmented, and I am confident that it's going to be long lasting. So I hope you like this look. I hope you like this video. I hope you found it informative. And the next one for next week is going to be the last one, and that is going to be the purples and the VI purple. So I hope you stay subscribed, or subscribe if you haven't, so that you don't miss it. Well, y'all, that's it for this video. I hope you have a blessed, prosperous day and the rest of your week, and I will see you in another video.